There was a time when I thought avocados was just for toast and smoothies until one day I discovered a little secret on how to make a good and natural avocado oil. One that is perfect for cooking, hair and skincare. Let me show you without much delay. It all starts with the right avocados, not just any kind. You need them matured and ripe. So when plucking or buying your avocados, make sure you buy the matured ones. Those ones that when you hold them, you will hear the seed shaking. Okay? The matured avocados will get ripe in days and it will produce more oil. So after plucking my avocados, I kept it in this sack bag for about 3 good days. Tied the mouth of the bag so that it can hasten the ripening. So on the third day, I loosened it up and this is what we have. Ripe, soft avocado, the perfect texture of our avocado oil. After that, wash the avocados thoroughly with clean water and then set it aside. With your knife, cut open the avocado and remove the seed from it. Okay, after that, start peeling it, remove the flesh from the back. Pour the flesh into your tray one by one until you are done with the whole avocados. For this avocado, I think I used more than 20 pieces. I did not really count anyway, depending on what you really want, but you should make it between 15 to 20 avocados and able to get reasonable amount of oil. Peel out the whole back and seed, and then when you are done with this process, the next thing to do now is to form a thick smooth paste out of your avocado. Using your mixer, your blender or anything, mash everything until smooth, soft, just like tomato paste. Using your spoon on anything, pour some of the avocado into a flat tray and then spread it evenly on the tray. Okay, do that for all the avocado. You can use 2 or 3 or more trays depending on the quantity. In my case, I used about 2 trays for this avocado spreading. So when you are done with the spreading and on everything, place your avocado under a shade, not under direct sunlight. You don't need direct sunlight for the processing of this, okay? So it can take between 3 to 5 days depending on the weather, but make sure it doesn't have access to direct sunlight. So this is my avocado on the second day. Use your spoon or anything to turn it side by side at least every 3 hours. Once the upper part is brown, turn to the other side. So this was the avocado on the third day. I repeated the same thing for it and for the other tray as well. So this is it, okay? So this was on the fourth day, and by this time the oil is already visible and you can see it with your eyes even when you press it, but at this point it is not yet ready. So and this is the fifth day. The avocado oil is ready at this point. So I use my spoon to gather everything together, and the next thing to do now is to express the oil. So using a fine cloth, a cheesecloth, not milk bag or a fine scarf, you pour the little amount of the oil into the cheesecloth and then express it with your hands. Try as much as possible to express to the maximum, because the more you press, the more the oil gushes out. You know that this oil is very good for skin care. It's also good for good hair growth and is also used in salad dressing. I extracted the avocado oil in 3 batches, okay? I take it little at a time so that I can be able to extract as much as possible at a go, okay? This oil is very good, like it has a lot of health and nutritional benefit that you may want to try. So this is the extracted pulp. It can be used in manure and it can also be used in feeding animals. Once the oil is ready, I have to strain it again using a clean cloth and squeeze out every drop of the oil. Though it is messy, but it's worth it. If this inspired you to try, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stories from my kitchen. Sometimes the best recipe are the ones that come with story. Until next time, God bless you.